Hello and welcome to the world of interactive music with Melody Maker. To start this creative journey, open your browser and type Chrome Music Lab into the search bar to enter Google's Music Laboratory. We're clicking on the first result, the Chrome Music Lab link. In this colorful and fun world that appears, we find the experiment called Melody Maker and click on it. Here is the blank canvas of Melody Maker. You can think of this as your digital sheet music. By clicking the question mark in the top right, we can see the basics. The horizontal axis represents time, which is the flow of the melody, while the vertical axis represents the pitch of the notes, how high or low they are. Now for the most enjoyable part. We start adding our notes by clicking on the squares in the grid. Each click adds a new sound to our melody. Notice how notes at different pitches appear in different colors. Let's make a simple start by adding a few more notes. There's no right or wrong, just place them as you feel. Let's see how our first creation sounds. Press the large play button at the bottom to listen to our melody. Didn't like a note? No problem at all. You can easily delete it by clicking on it again. Want to move it somewhere else? Just delete and re-click in the new spot. You can create simple chords by adding more than one note in the same column. Listen to how they create a richer sound by playing at the same time. Now, let's create a slightly more complex structure. By adding notes at different points in time, we're creating a sense of rhythm and flow. Remember, there is no right or wrong here. It's all up to your imagination. Don't hesitate to experiment until you find the sounds that please your ear. If you want to change the tempo, or speed, of your melody, you can slide the runner icon at the bottom to the left or right. See, when we lower the tempo, it gets a slower, more emotional vibe. And when we speed it up, it turns into a more energetic and cheerful melody. The same notes can create completely different feelings at different tempos. Now let's explore a bit more. You can create stair-like structures or arpeggios by arranging notes in ascending or descending order. This adds a sense of movement to the melody. Think of it like different instrument groups. You can create a bass line with low notes, place the main melody in the middle section, and add high notes on top to accompany it. Don't forget that music is not just about notes. The empty spaces, or rests, are just as important. Leaving gaps between notes can make your rhythm more interesting and give your melody room to breathe. Now, let's create repeating patterns or motifs. You can take a short musical idea and repeat it in different parts of the melody to give your piece a sense of unity and catchiness. And here, we are combining all these techniques to create a richer, more layered piece. You can see how much it evolves by starting with a simple idea and continuously adding new elements on top of it. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.